Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your US bank's mortgage account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for US Bank Home Mortgage Login just like this. Once you type it in your browser and search for it, the first option where it says Mortgage Account Management, click on it and make sure it takes you to usbank.com, which is the official website of US Bank. Once you're in this page, once it says manage my mortgage, right underneath it you can see the login button. You want to click on login. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the login page. Once you're in the login page, over here you want to choose your account type. Once you choose your account type, you need to enter your username of your account. Once you enter the username of your account where it says password, enter the password of your account and click on login. Once you do that, you should be able to log in into your US Bank's online banking account. And once you're inside your online banking account, from there you can access the mortgage section to apply for a mortgage or pay for your mortgage. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.